Hi, today in front of me Motorola Moto G13 and I'll show you how to switch off this device. So just to do that, we should press the power key button on the right side of our phone for a few seconds. And after that, if you get the same situation like in my case, if you just activate the Google Assistant and you want to use only the power off menu by pressing hold to the power key, we should first open the settings and then scroll down to the system section. Then click to the gestures and click here to press and hold power button section. Just click on the switcher to turn off this option, and now by press and hold to the power key, we'll see here the power off menu. Just click to the power off icon, wait a second, and after the vibration we can see that the screen is dark, so this means that our device is turned off. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.